Hi guys, another day, another design. Let's create something interesting again today. We are creating a t-shirt design in Canva for free. So to start off, you go to elements, search for t-shirt. You can go with graphics, mockups or photos, but I'm going to go with photos. Let's use the plain white t-shirt. Okay, maybe I can enlarge it. That can work. I'm going to remove the background. Yeah, that's it right there. So let's go ahead and make the design. So the first thing I'm going to look for, the elements tab, you look for a block shape. You go to graphics, choose a block shape that you want. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to resize it. Let me just zoom into this so it's clear. Yep. Okay, that size, I think it's okay. Then let's look for a blob circle. Okay, let me go with this. I will change the colors. You can use any color that you find appealing. Then this one, you position it to the back. No, sorry. Backward so that it appears behind the blob. The next element to look for is a blob love shape. Yeah. Perfect. You can choose any that you like. Any that works for you will be good enough. So maybe let me position it somewhere here and just turn it a bit. So I like this beige color, so I'll change this to say beige. Maybe find a good color that goes well. And also this one, can change it to like, no, don't want many colors going on, so use. Or you can just go with any color that you find fit. So I'll change this color to too much. The other ones that I have, let me look for one that looks okay. Oh, yeah, I think this is okay. Enlarge it just a bit. Okay, that's fine. The next thing, you go to elements again and find a botanical leaf. Guys, don't be surprised. I have an inspo that I'm using. You can look for inspos anywhere in the internet, in Pinterest, Behance, Pexels, Pixabay, anywhere that you can find inspos for the design that you want to make. And then you can use that. So I'll use this. I think it looks okay. I'm gonna position it a little bit differently. And I think that's a good position. I'm going to change its color so that it's in the same theme as every other color. So maybe let me give it a dark brown. Yeah, I think that looks good. And slant it a bit. Yeah, I think so far it looks good. The next thing, you're going to go to elements again. This time you will go and find, you can search dots or the graphics. I'm looking for scattered dots. You can search for dots or freckles, anything that works for you. I don't know if I like that one. Let me find different recommendations that look better. I think these are too big, so no, these are too big as well. Let me go with this. This one looks okay. And I want to have them here. And maybe make them be a color that matches my theme. I think that's okay. Ensure to use everything that works for you. The design is coming together well. The next thing I'm going to add is a text, a subheading. And I'm going to write the row. Yeah. The next thing, you find the best font that you want.